Yeah, g'day. It's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, former New South Wales Deputy Premier John Barilaro has just been hit with a major lawsuit in the New South Wales Supreme Court by Jennifer West. She's the lady that John Barilaro tried to steal a $500,000 New York job off. She had been offered the job. He made sure she was gotten rid of, the job offer withdrawn, and had himself appointed just after he resigned as New South Wales Deputy Premier. He obviously organised that before he'd resigned. And Jennifer West had just hit him with a lawsuit in the New South Wales Supreme Court. On Monday, the 6th of March 2023, the New South Wales Independent Commission Against Corruption discontinued their investigation into that appointment in relation to whether it was corrupt or not. And they announced that Monday, but Monday afternoon, Jennifer West has filed the claim in the New South Wales Supreme Court. So I'll just read it out. The Sydney Morning Herald has broken the story, and I'll just read out the first part of it. Now, the article is titled Barilaro Heirs Hit with Lawsuit Over New York Trade Commissioner Job. And it starts off, the woman offered the $500,000 a year New York Trade Commissioner job that later went to John Barilaro, suing the former Deputy Premier and former Trade Minister Stuart Ayres for misuse of power. Jennifer West is accusing them of malfeasance in office, an accusation of wrongful exercise of authority that can only be levelled at public officials, and breach of contract after the US job offer was withdrawn and she was made redundant. And it goes on to say, in a statement of claim filed in the New South Wales Supreme Court, West alleged that the circumstances leading to withdrawal of appointment and of her employment were insulting and humiliating and worthy of aggravated damages. West also named former Investment New South Wales boss Amy Brown, who initially offered her the job and then reneged, and the state of New South Wales as defendants in the suit. Now, I did a video earlier today in relation to John Barilaro and the New South Wales Independent Commission Against Corruption, just continuing their investigation into the corruption allegations regarding the matter. But John Barilaro hasn't gotten away in full. He's now facing a lawsuit. Now, if people remember, the New South Wales Parliament set up an inquiry and they apparently didn't find any corruption. That's one of the reasons the New South Wales Independent Commission Against Corruption, I believe, withdrew or will discontinue their investigation. But during that parliamentary inquiry, John Barilaro was jumping up and down the media saying, I haven't had an opportunity to address the inquiry and I haven't had the opportunity to tell my side of the story. And when he did, he played their mental health card. Said, I can't show up. I've got mental health issues. So he's absolutely full of it. Now he's facing a civil lawsuit. What's he going to do? Not show up and give evidence, claim the mental health card? Who knows? If he does, obviously that's going to play into Jennifer West's claim in a major way and help her cause. Some of the commentary in the earlier video I did today saying, hey, we haven't totally failed. His reputation has been trashed. People know how corrupt he is, even though he wasn't facing charges in relation to the $500,000 New York job. He hasn't gotten away totally. And if Jennifer West's claim goes to a full hearing, which potentially could do, I think John Barilaro is in a lot of trouble. Anyhow, that's a breaking story. Make sure you share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. Other than that, thank you for your time and have a good day.